want me to lift this side from where I'm at?
Some of them started crying because they were upset.
We might not be able to fit this fridge.
Keep going, get on this up. Holy shit.
I don't need you.
Good morning, you guys. We're in Nagano. Woke up in Nagano. Today is moving day, and in about 25 minutes, we're gonna go and head over to get the keys. And yeah, I don't even know what day today is. Don't care because it was a long day yesterday, obviously, for obvious reasons. And we're so grateful for our friends for coming to help us. Listen, I didn't even pack my day 2 clothes because yesterday was like go, go, go. So forgive me, I am wearing my clothes from yesterday. It is what it is. Tonight I will Tonight I will get a proper shower. And yeah, so right now I'm headed over to get some breakfast for the kids and the hubby. We're gonna do McDonald's breakfast this morning. So let's go. So let me tell y'all something. Last night was wild. So we left around 6, and y'all saw that we had our neighborhood kids, like my English students, the girls' classmates, they all came to say goodbye. The kids that my children walk to school with every day came to say bye. I mean, the love was so real. Like, they basically held up that entire sidewalk, and y'all know how busy that street is. Like, y'all know how busy my old house, like, we lived on the side of a street. So, like, passengers every day, like every minute there's somebody walking down, cars everywhere, and they held it up. They showed up and showed out, and the love was so real. And some of them started crying because they were upset that we were moving. It was like so emotional, but it was so sweet. My kids felt loved, and I love that they had a proper send-off. I really do, that they had a proper send-off, that we had a proper send-off. But it was so sweet. But y'all, it was a convoy of 3 vehicles up and down this highway, and I had to keep up. And then it started raining when we almost got there. When we were like close enough, it started raining. Yo, I was like, oh my gosh. And you know, like, we didn't have like a closed truck. It was like an open bed and a sheet over it. So our fridge was exposed. And I was just praying. I was like, Lord, Lord, please let our stuff be okay. Our mattress is a little wet. But y'all, listen, if we had hired a moving company, it would have cost us like 400,000 yen, which is like 3,000 something dollars, or a little bit more than that, just to move our stuff from, you know, across the country, basically. Hi. So I'm here at McDonald's. I'm about to order. They told me to wait because they're still servicing the car up front. So. Hi. ソーセージ、エッグ、チーズ、ビスケット、サンドイッチ。すいません。Here I am in English. ソーセージ、エッグマフィン、セット1つ。飲み物はカプチーノありますか？カプチーノ、当店では取り扱いございません。コーヒーの飲み物はコーヒーだけのみですか？そうですね。アイスコーヒーかホットコーヒーになります。ではホットコーヒーの M サイズをホット1つ。あ、すいません。 サイドはサラダにいいですか？メガマフィンの方は。
はい、サラダに変更ですね。
変更でお願いします。
100円でございます。
はい。
手前にお進みください。
ありがとうございます。She's so cute. She kind of got, she clarified, but she was starting to get the order a little wrong. It's all good though. No stress. No biggie. おはようございます。はい。クイックペイで。はい。ありがとうございます。Come on. So in America, they have the sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit, right? Well, in Japan, not only do they have that, but they call it a mega muffin, because they call it a sausage muffin or sausage egg muffin set or something. It comes with two sausage patties, which they call a mega muffin, which I know they don't have in the States, because I used to always do that. Like when I was like low carb, I would order 2 sausage patties with the egg and the cheese. But here I can do that. Would just order the meal. And if I want to take the buns off, I do. But I love me some egg muffins. I mean, I love me some English muffins, so I'm not going to take the buns off. I'm really excited about this move. Like I did have some anxiety leading up to the move. I mean, not anxiety, like I was just sad. Leaving what I'm comfortable, leaving what I know. You know, I grew up in not the heart of Tokyo, but I grew up in Tokyo and lived in Tokyo and in the greater Tokyo area in Yokohama or Kanagawa, as an adult with my family and everything. So I'm used to the suburbs. I'm used to, the suburbs and everything. But when God is directing you a certain way, you just go. You know what I mean? Like a certain path, you just go. And we're making this move, and it is nerve-wracking because I'm gonna have to learn this new region, the Shinshu region, and all the places. I know Tokyo in and out. I know the routes, I know the highway routes and everything, but here I'm gonna have to learn it completely new. This is a different part of Japan. It's not like Tokyo. It's mostly rural, but very beautiful, and we're about to live in a more developed rural part of Japan. So, it's different. It's really different, but I'm kind of also used to it because where I grew up, parts of West Tokyo where, you get into the mountains and I almost missed my turn. It's more, you kind of get closer to the mountain side of, Tokyo, almost going into Saitama. So it doesn't feel that different. That's what I'm trying to say is like, doesn't really feel too different, but there for sure is more nature. So it's almost kind of like going back to where I used to, grow up kind of. But we're about to live in this small town, which is cool, which is totally cool. It's like, it's supposed to pour all weekend and we're moving. Like, we are trying to beat this rain as much as we can because we got stuff to move. I can't freak out and get worried or else I'm just going to stress myself out more. We're here. That's all that matters. And so, yep. So all that matters is we're here. Everything else is going to work out like it always does. All right. All right, I'm going to go feed the kiddos and then we'll be back. We're fed and good. It is raining, y'all. It's raining and we're about to move our stuff in this rain. I'm just praying that it doesn't rain too heavy. Some of our mattress is already wet, so like I'm kind of worried a little bit, but all right, let's go, y'all.
Submissive now. Got a man who holds me down. You grinding and independent, but I follow your lead. Ain't no games we play for keeps. You bought the ring, so tell me, Papa, what do you need? In the morning when you get dressed, Zeus in the evening if you're feeling stressed. Tough by your decisions, I trust, cause you only want the best for us, baby. I'll be friend on the weekend when we hanging out. A lover on call, boy, I make a vow that you're my number one priority. Just keep giving me all your love. Don't stop giving me all your love. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wish is my command. Just keep giving me all your love. Yes, it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love, baby, and now I see what a big dog needs. I think it's funny I wanna be submissive now. What a big dog needs. Funny how I wanna be submissive. Got me making plates and doing dishes. Baby, what you need, I handle business. He called me an oh so, but little do we know that everybody doesn't get this treatment. Somebody made me one complete. Being truly loved really is different. Cause I see you.
I'm so glad we decided to keep our hutch because that one is going to go over here and we don't really have a lot of space in this kitchen.ジョー、こっち側にテレビ欲しいって言ってた？
わかんない。
そうでしょ。
こっちなんか、before ソファーって言ってたでしょ。
あ、ここソファ入んないでしょ。あ、入る？ジョーたちが帰りの途中にさ、どっかで合流してドロップオフした方がいいんじゃないのかな。
荷物が積
あー、カラバンだけで行くんだ。
うん、2台で行くけど、こっちじゃないとカウチ入らないから。
We're already almost done. I mean, we still do have other stuff in another truck, I believe, but we're already almost done loading, so yay. We're gonna go ahead and head over and get some food. They really got a lot done today. I'm really proud of them. Tomorrow's Father's Day too, so we want to do something for the dads, and we allowed them to pick what they wanted to do. Boys will be boys. They want to do boy stuff. So we'll do that tomorrow. But right now, let's go eat. We're hungry.
私の言ってること OK？ Understand？ 少しだけ。おお、ありとり。
早い。ゆっくり。
おお、ゆっくりだ。すごい。Welcome to カクマ。じゃあここに来てくださるのも。
そうです
ね。嬉しいね。じゃあ会えるね、みんなね。ご褒美ランチだね。いつもはやっぱりね、お金大変じゃないですか。でもアメリカだったら日本はすごく安いとかって言うけど、どうなの？
安いですね。今ドルの。
白馬とかあっちの方はラーメン一杯3000円とか、それでも安いとか言って食べてるけど、私たちなんか日本人は行かないですよね。とっても行かない。このカツカレー1200円だってね。それでも安いですね。
安い。
ココイチのカレー行くよりも全然安いし、量もいい。この米がうまいしね、ライスがうまい。お嫁ちゃんもいいしね。嬉しい。
ありがとうございます。楽しみです。
本当嬉しいこと言ってくれて。私たちもね、みんなからパンを見て。
You want me to lift this side from where I'm at?
Come on, let's see what 500 pounds. With your nails?
My nails are not that long.
Listen, nothing. Put your hand in this. Put your hand in this right now. I'm telling you about to grip that with all your strength and squat that.
Moody.
Ready? Yeah.
Let's try it. 1, 2, 3.
How far are you going?
Keep going.
Ah, no.
I'm sitting on the railing, but I
You can't turn?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Put it down a little
You
bit.
guys almost got it? Go, keep going. Yeah, that's up. I was behind her making sure she was.
I don't need your help.
You okay?
Yeah, I got it.
Sure?
Yeah.
Just gonna turn. I'm trying to. I can do it. Fine.
Yay, thank you.
They got the washing machine in. That was brutal to watch. And obviously, my big old self can't even help them, but they were able to get it through to the room. Y'all saw that was crazy. But now we have the fridge left to put in there. So Anthony's holding down the fort right now, but God. Yeah, we got the fridge to fit in there now, so
He's holding the refrigerator from falling over and it's pouring it.
prayers. It won't. Chris had to take the door off because we might not be able to fit this fridge.
Down. No, that. I'm not wearing gloves.
No.
Anthony, dragging it something.
Yes,
Scratch the shit out of this. Okay, keep up.
Stuck on. Get pinched.
Yeah, I got a bad wrist and it just got jammed in there.
Just get
No,
up
I
under.
need to grab the legs here.
They don't have any handle. It's only one spot.
It's underneath.
見える？そこから。はい、せーの、せーで。重い？
Almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at the turn already, so now what?
We're at the turn. You got 2 more steps from the legs to get it up.
This thing is deep. Moody, man.
Yeah.
It's not on anything right now. It's just sliding on the wall. Let it down easy. I'll have a guy from this side.
You guys ready?
せーの、せーで。
The problem is it's still at an angle.
Yeah.
That's up a step.
Yeah, one step up.
That's up a step. 3. There we go. Okay, it's only this corner's on the step.
Yeah.
Yeah, slide down the stair.
Something's stopping. Other side is down.
Anthony, you pull it towards you.
Yeah.
There we go.
Good.
Good.
Okay, Anthony, get out of it. Okay, but no, it's fit now.
No, it's touching now.
Lean it this way now. Lean it towards you now. I know there's no handle for it, but
Try.
I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna I'll just do it one last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A little more, almost,
A little bit.
a little bit, good, yep. Oh my gosh. Whoa, careful.
Just push.
Careful pushing it. Yeah, not so much stretching.
Gokuros. Oh my gosh, you guys. Chris. Oh, Chris. Huh?
Get the whole thing recorded?
Yes.
Gripping.
Good job, Anthony. 怪我した？大丈夫？あー、痛そう。
Press it. Shaking.
Okay.
カメラマンでしょ。
カメラ
We're gonna wait longer than 2 hours.
カメラマン。
Tomorrow, probably.
Chris ご苦労さん。Oh man.
It's water.
Yeah. Got it. I documented it, but I didn't do
So our
anything.
kids can go see it.
Walk is 30. Walk is 30. Bike is probably only 10.
Still, that's a crazy little cars. This is cute. It's called Seiza table. But the table is called Seiza.
No, I'm saying the table should be low enough so they can see.
Seiza is the position.